What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today, as you can see, we got the blue car on the rack behind me, so we're going to be doing a couple things to that today. One of them is, if you caught the video where I installed the Pypes X-Bomb catback. If you didn't, I'll throw a card up right here. But if you did, you remember that I was missing 2 out of the 8 clamps needed to install the exhaust. Instead of waiting to get the correct clamps, I went ahead and went to the parts house. I've got 2 temporary clamps, brought them back, installed the exhaust, and if you haven't caught those videos, the exhaust sounds amazing. But before I could reach out to Pypes and get the correct clamp sent to me, they watched the video, reached out to me, apologized for the mix-up, not having 2 of the clamps in there, and wanted my address so they could get the clamps shipped out to me immediately. So I gave them the address. They got them shipped out the same day I gave them the address, and I got them the next day. And I've just been kind of waiting on a minute to get everything on the rack to install them. But however, they sent me a little gift also, so I'm going to show you what they sent. So as you can see, at the Pypes box, we've got the 2 Pypes clamps, 3-inch clamps, and they also sent me this. This is a Pypes shot glass, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. So it's got a little, got the M80 recipe, got a pipe bomb recipe, got a violator recipe, stuff like that. But anyway, it's pretty neat, pretty cool that they sent this out to me. So great customer service, guys. They've treated me very well. So I was pretty impressed that they took the time to reach out to me to make it right, give me the clamps, then send me a little gift, kind of like a Christmas gift, guys. That's pretty cool. And what they don't know, and a lot of people don't know, is when I go out of town and go somewhere, if I see a shot glass from that place, I will pick it up and buy it. I thought it was pretty cool when I got it in the box, so I wanted to share that with you guys. Pretty awesome. Another thing, if you caught when I was over here, as you've seen, I do have an oil filter right here also. And also, we've got 5W30 full synthetic Motorcraft oil. So we're also going to be changing the oil in the blue car today. I've got a little over 2,800 miles on it, and I like to change the oil, especially the first oil change, around 3,000 miles, and about 4,000 to 5,000 miles after that, depending on how much I run it at the drag strip. Also, one thing we got to remember in this car is that we are running E85, so they do recommend change the oil more often when you run E85. So guys, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be changing the oil in the car, getting those clamps changed out, and we will see where it goes from there. All right, as you can see, I am watching Jack on his live stream. Tonight, let me scroll to the title. Tonight, he is raising money, a soldier's child. Now, that is a charity that helps children of Gold Star families. Now, I'm going to let him explain it to you because he can explain it a lot better than I can.
First of all, I want to thank Speed Addict 731 for this awesome opportunity to explain to you what a Gold Star family is and what it means to me and why my channel, Determined Veteran, is raising money toward this cause. Now, you might be asking yourself, Determined Veteran? Like, what's that all about? So, a little bit about my background. I retired from the United States Army as a Sergeant First Class back in 2016. I'm an avid car enthusiast. I own a 2018 Camaro ZL1, and I also own a 2019 Shelby GT350R. I know it's a mouthful, and you're thinking to yourself, hold up now, you own 2 cars? Well, if you're interested in that, come over to my channel and check me out, but this is not what it's about tonight. It's about explaining to you what a Gold Star family is. Now, I talked to Kid on the phone, and the night I'm recording this, I actually did a live stream. You've kind of seen that in his video, what we did tonight, and you're seeing this tomorrow on Friday or beyond that. So, again, huge shout out to Speed Addict 731 for this opportunity to talk to you a little bit about what a Gold Star family is. So we have service members deployed all around the world, especially in Afghanistan and Iraq. So on September 11, 2001, we entered into armed conflict. Now, if you've read in the history books or you're old enough to remember, so we had the Twin Towers that were, crashed into with an airplane. And then also the Pentagon actually had almost a scare because they downed an airplane down there. So that was terrorists, right? So we went to war. Global war on terrorism was enacted by President Bush back in 2001. We've been in armed combat in Afghanistan and Iraq ever since. Now, because of the armed combat, we've lost over 7,000 plus service members. That's a lot to stomach, but let me explain to you what happens. A lot of times we thank the service member for what they've done for our country, but we forget sometimes that there's a family behind there. There's a spouse, there's children. So what I've done on my channel, we take YouTube revenue and we donate to veteran causes. And for the month of December, I will be pledging my entire YouTube check toward a soldier's child. Now, a soldier's child is simply this. They're an organization that ensures our Gold Star family, their children, have the best Christmas possible. So it's hell on them because they lost their mom and dad. So what my channel is pledging to do in conjunction with SpeedX 731 and other channels is to make sure they have the best Christmas possible. So tonight on a live stream, my goal was $500 for this charity. We've raised almost about $1,000 tonight. So if you're interested in participating with that, there's going to be a link down below. It's a unique URL that lets you know that you came from Determined Veteran on YouTube and you donated to that charity. So we're going to be publicizing this all throughout the month of December to make sure that these Gold Star families have the best Christmas possible. As you can see right here in my bracelet, this is Sergeant First Class Alvin Boatwright. We lost him in June of 2011. His family's a Gold Star family. And this is my way of giving back to everyone who has lost a loved one, their mom and dad in combat. So if you could be so kind throughout the Christmas season to make sure that you donate below, I would appreciate it, and so would SpeedX 731. So with that being said, I'm going to flash you back over to SpeedX 731. Ken, I appreciate it. And guys, the DV doesn't stand for Disabled Veteran, it stands for Determined Veteran. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you down the road, guys.
So you heard it from him, guys. Let's go help these children out. The link will be down below. You can click on the link, it goes straight to the charity. Help us give some children a better Christmas this year. All right, so we got the oil change, we got the clamps on. Thank you again to Pypes for sending me the clamps so quickly, and also thank you very much for the shot glass. We will be using it. Alright, so we got the oil level checked. We are looking great on the oil level. I am letting the car warm up. We are at 163, so let it warm up a little bit more. And then, as you know, I'm not going to let you get out of this video without hearing this exhaust. So we're going to let it rip one time out there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that. And I would have done more of it, but this is still my place of employment, so I gotta keep it down. A little bit's okay. You go crazy, put black marks all up and down, then they might say something. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.